What's up guys, it's your girl Tiff and I am back with another hair crochet tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I got this curly look, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys, it's your girl Tiff. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. We are back with another crochet tutorial. I got my hair braided yesterday. She braided it so tight, I swear my little struggle edges are still there. It's gonna always be there, but she was able to grip what she can grip. But y'all already know when I come on camera like this, it's about to be a wig tutorial, me doing a synthetic wig or something, me doing a quick weave, or me doing some crochet. So crochets is what it is today. I ran to the store today and got some hair. I've never tried the Outre, whatever you want to call it. I've never tried that brand of hair. Oh wait, I think I have. I believe I have. But anyway, I've never tried this brand of hair. So I'm using the Expressions 4-in-1 loop. This is the Bahama curls. This is in a 14 inches. I wanted 1B. They did not have any 1B. They only had 1 or 2 or some off-the-wall colors. So I actually wound up getting 3 packs of the number 1. And I got 1 pack of the F1B30. So the F1B30 actually has some color in it, like a nice, I don't know, medium brown, honey blonde, something like that. I wanted something because it's summertime still. Even if we chilling in the backyard or chilling, you know, the grocery shop is the place to be seen. So if I'm going to grocery shop, I want to be cute, might have a little treats, but that is what I'm going to do. I'm hoping that 4 packs is more than enough. I've seen other girls use this hair. Some people use 5, 6, 7 packs. I'm not doing that. My braid pattern is very simple. Braids straight to the back. I think I have 9 braids. She braided it all the way back and then connected all the braids with 1, or connected all the braids into 1, and I just kind of tucked it under another braid. So I will crochet my hair to hold that in place. I think I'm going to, I don't know, I've seen people use this hair, and when they did it, some girls left it as a loop, some girls separated it. And what I mean by that, if you've never used this hair, it is the 4-in-1 crochet. So it has a loop, but it's 4 strands of hair in that 1 loop. So you could put it in as 1 and then separate the hair, or you can take them out 1 by 1 and put it in your hair like that as well. Let me show for you girls who are not crochet people. So it comes like this. It has the loop, but that loop already has all of these multiple strands of hair. So when you put this in, you can leave. When you put this in, you can leave this in and just do the crochet with that, and you'll already have that. Or you can separate it. It's a little bitty, not even rubber band, but a little bitty plastic knot that's holding it together that you can easily take off. Alright, I said easily. Don't make me look stupid now. Alright, so I just took it off just to show you guys, and that's the hair. And you can honestly just pull it apart, and you already have your strand of hair. You already have your strand of hair as soon as you pull it apart. So I like this. I might just pull them apart and put it in like that. But yeah, like I said, I got 14 inches. I'm gonna get started on this. You guys have seen my crochet tutorials, so I'm gonna jump right into this, and I'll probably turn the camera back on when I'm halfway done so you guys can really see how I'm doing the front of my hair. Okay, I think I'll do that.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So I already have 2 full packs of hair in my head. I just opened up the 3rd pack, which is the, which one is this? The F1B30. And I don't think I'm going to use the brown pieces of hair because I played with it. I was just kind of putting them in there and seeing if I'm going to like it. I don't really think I want this. I think for this particular look, I'm just going to go with all black. If I wind up thinking I want to add a piece or two, then I might. But it's like as I started to put it in, and then just like kind of, I wasn't feeling the streak. So I'm not gonna put this shade in, so I'm gonna just keep it all black for my hair. So I basically have a pack and a half left, and I do have this much left. But if you are a newbie and have not seen my crochets, I'm going to show you guys really quickly how I crochet my hair. I did 2 different types of techniques in my head. I'm going to show you each one that I did. Slide it through, and this is in real time. I'm not speeding this up. I want everyone to see. And then I take the loop, put my hands, turn it, slide the hair through, twist it again, slide the hair through. And then I just take the 2 pieces and pull it. So I will do that one more time for the people in the back. Slide the needle through, put the hair on the hook, close the latch, pull it through. I take it and I twist it sometimes 2 or 3 times. After I pull the hair through again, I twist it, and then I pull the hair through. And then I take those 2 pieces and pull it tight. So that is what I was doing. Now, whenever I take a smaller piece, and remind you, I took the band off of the loop and I split it into most times 2 pieces for the back. But as I got a little closer to the sides, like this part, I split it into 4 pieces. So I got a thinner piece. And I'll show you guys what I do. So, and I've done this method before as well. I haven't done it in a while, but I slide it through, hook it on, I twist it, but instead of pulling both strands of hair, I pull 1 strand of hair through and then pull it. And you can even twist that knot again if you want. And honestly, both techniques work for me. I do not have any issues with my knot slipping. I don't have any issues with hair coming out. They are in there. They are secured. Alright guys, so my hair is done. Let me just say this, yo, I love this hair. I love this hair. This hair reminds me so much of my Trendy Tresses River Curl hair review. I'm going to link that below if you guys have not seen that. It reminds me of that hair in terms of how soft it is. Although I hated the Trendy Tresses hair. Like, I hated the install process of it. Hated it. But this reminds me of that hair because it's lightweight. It's soft. And you know, I'm used to using free tress hair, and if you girls use free tress hair, you know, it's a little hard. It's not really soft hair, but it gets the job done. This, yo, it's soft. Soft. And I'm loving that. And it's giving me that summer curly look, which is what I wanted. I wound up using all of the hair. I have literally just a little bit of hair left. You guys know I bought 4 packs of hair, 3 in the color 1 and then 1 in the 1B430 combo. I did not want to use the 30, which was the like brownish, honey brownish hair, I didn't want to do that, so I just want to be using all of the black, and that's what I have. I have, honestly, I can show you guys. This is how much hair I have left, which is 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I have 3 loops left that I'll probably just use and fill in some gaps if I feel like I need to. But for the most part, your girl hair is done. So I want to be using 3.5 packs, if you really want to call it that. It took me from start to finish close to 3 hours. I did stop, eat, watch TV, whatever, but it took me close to 3 hours for the whole install, which is not bad. It typically takes me between 2 and 2.5 hours, so this was just slightly a little longer. But the hair is bomb, y'all. The hair feels so good. This is the back of my hair. So it's giving me the look that I wanted. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, you already know what I'm going to tell you to do or ask you to do. Please like and subscribe and share. Help your fellow crochet girls out. Help your girls who need some type of hairstyle while they're transitioning or just don't want to do their hair. Low maintenance, low cost hairstyle. The packs of hair was actually, how much was this hair? The hair was $5.99 a pack. I bought 6 packs. I laid them edges down, baby. Got me some edge booster. So the edges I laid, and that's it. So I hope you guys like this look, and if you do, as always, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.